Hello, my name is Kwang Nguyen. I'm from Group 60. In this demonstration video, we'll explore the various features and functionalities of our calendar app. To begin, we have a comprehensive monthly calendar view that allows the users to navigate through days and weeks. By utilizing the forward and backward arrows, the user can choose to explore different months. Moving on to the weekly view, we can easily view and modify events. Let's get to our first feature, viewing and modifying classes. Within this section, users can add classes by simply clicking the Add button or return to the course list view. Now let's add a few classes. The information the users can input here is the course name and the instructor name. After selecting the class time, the users can choose to hit save or go back, or if they want to get reminded for this class, they can click on Remind Me and it will direct them to this reminder page. I'm gonna add a message here. And since the class starts at 12:25, I'm gonna set the time at 12:20. We hit schedule. The notification will be scheduled. Now, I hit OK and I go back. This will direct the users to the weekly view. I'll demonstrate adding a few more classes here. Course name 2, instructor name 2, another class as 4:30. I save the class. Now I go back. See, now there are two classes here in the list view. Let's add a few more. Course name 3, instructor 3, another class at 8:30 in the morning. And here we are. Now, if the user wants to edit or delete their current courses, they can hold the item and a small menu pops up. They can simply now tap on delete to delete the class, or tap on edit to edit the class. Hit edit, go back, and now the course has been updated. Additionally, users can access a daily view mode that displays all events for the day, including classes, assignments, or exams. Now notice that these two courses have the same name. Let me just edit this, give it a different name with a different instructor, and choose the correct time. Well, this is a good example of editing classes. When the user accidentally creates two courses of the same name, they can always go back to correct the name of the course.
Hello everyone, my name is Nahalika Korobora. I'm part of Group 60 and I will be walking you through some more features of our calendar app. So this is the monthly view and we can go to the weekly view where there's a list of options to choose from. Students can manage assignments and exams easily through our app and keep track of any due dates. Similar to adding classes, we can add, edit, and delete assignments and upcoming exams as well. So let me demonstrate. So I'm going to click the View Modify Assignments button. It will let me add an assignment. So here I can add the name of the assignment, the course that the assignment is for, and I can set the date when it is due. So let's do 7th February, 5:40 a.m. and I save it. I get a notification that it has been saved. I can go back and see that indeed it has been added to our assignments list. Similarly, I can add more assignments. Let's say assignment 2 for course 2. Let's say that is due 6:42 a.m. today. And I will save that. I'll go back and I can see that it has been added. If we want, we can sort it by due date. So if I press that button, it will sort it by due date, and the most recent upcoming assignment will be first, and the later ones will be after that. So we can see that it has been sorted by due date. Now we can edit and delete our assignments easily just by holding down on the assignment that we want to edit or delete. So I'll go on the edit button. I can change the name of the course, I can change the name of the assignment, I can change when it is due, and I will go and press the edit button, and now I can see that my assignment has been updated in the assignments list. Similarly, I can go and hold the assignment and delete it as well. Another cool feature that our app has is that you say you add an assignment that is due today at 6 a.m., you save it. It lets you add a reminder so that your phone will remind you, will send you a push notification that, hey, your assignment is due, better start working on it. Complete assignment 2. And I can choose to get notified maybe like a couple hours before, and I'll schedule my notification, and it will tell me that a push notification has been scheduled for this time. Then I can go back to my options. In a very similar way, we can add our exams. So the name of the exam, the name of our course, the location where the exam will be held. Then I can add the date of the exam, let's say February 7th at 6:44 a.m. I will save that. See that my exam has been added. I can add another one, course name, location, and let's say that is March 6th. And I will save that, go back. Again, we can choose to be reminded that, oh, your exam is coming up, start preparing. Exam to prepare, let's say, a few days before the exam. So I scheduled my notification. Perfect. I can go back. And similarly with my exams, I can hold on it to edit or delete them. I can sort them by due date. And one last cool feature is a very simplified daily view, which will list everything that is due for that particular day. So see, I have my assignment 2 due today. I have assignment 1 and exam 1 tomorrow, scheduled for tomorrow. So I can see that. I can go back to my monthly view, go to March, and see that I have an exam on March 6th also. So I can see all of that has been added. And that will be all for assignments and exams feature. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Sprahanjay Banik. I am from Group 60 and I'm going to show how we perform to-do list in our app. So you can go here, you can click on any add item, and through this button what you can do is, like, maybe you have a title, you want to say, oh, I have an object and design homework due by today. So let's just say that, and maybe the description is, maybe I need to change my background, change my background of my app. I can save it and it will appear here. Maybe I have something more, so let's say my math 3012 homework is due, or maybe I have to complete some assignment, or maybe I have to buy grocery. I can say, let's say we have to buy some grocery, right? So we say, oh, buy apple juice, some milk, and some cereals, and we save it. But we're like, we need to, oh, I forgot to add something, so we can edit it as well. So we can say, instead of apple juice, I want cranberry juice, and we can save it. Now, for example, we want to delete something. My task is done. We can also do that. So we go long press on the button and we can delete it instantly. And we can see that our to-do list has just one item instead of two right now. So similarly, we can also have a add reminder feature. So it lets us select this thing. So for example, our title is maybe we need to remind ourselves that our object and design homework is due tomorrow as well. Again, object and design title, oh, submit the project. So let's assume it's due after 1 minute so that we can see what's happening here. So it's 10:19 in our time, so let's say it's due at 10:20, and we schedule a notification, and this project has been submitted. So we see a notification has been scheduled.